In other news, the COMELEC and the city government of Manila are in the final stages of preparations for the upcoming barangay elections. The full report from Noel Perfecto.
Officials of the City of Manila, the Manila's Finest, and the Commission on Election are all set for the upcoming barangay elections on October 28, 2013. This after MPD Chief Isagani Ginabe Jr. presented the full force of the operatives of Manila Police District, including the newly formed Bike Patrol, the augmentation force of the NCRPO, and the non-uniformed personnel which can help the COMELEC anytime. Manila Mayor Joseph Estrada personally praised the Manila's Finest as the best police district in Manila.
We will see to it that what's important is we can have peace and order and very, I would say, an election that is really free of fraud. I've talked to the barangay captains and I told them that you see to it that there will be peace and order. I've talked to many of the barangay candidates and incumbents.
The MPD chief says he's ready to face the challenge of Manila Mayor to implement tight security and ensure clean and peaceful elections until to date. According to Ginabe, they're studying reports regarding areas of concern or the so-called hotspots during election period.
Marami na po tayong preparasyong ginagawa. Nagkakameron na nga po tayo ng preparation sa election tulad ng kausap na po namin yung COMELEC. Magkakameron po tayo ng peace covenant among the candidates. Magkakameron po tayo ng series of meetings regarding the preparation for the barangay election. We are asking augmentation from NCRPO dahil napakadami po nating barangay captain sa Manila.
Some police officers affirm with the readiness of the force in the upcoming barangay polls.
Maganda ho yung ganyan, yung nagkakaroon ho ng challenge para sa kapulisan natin. Kasi doon ho talaga na may measure kung meron talaga nagawa yung kapulisan natin. Kung dati ho, ito yung naging gauge, then kailangan umangat, hindi ho pwedeng bumaba dahil ang pinag-uusapan ho dito, serbisyo, hindi ho dapat bumababa yung standard ng serbisyo.
COMELEC spokesperson James Jimenez was not bothered with the reports regarding the areas of concern in the city. Director Jimenez says the barangay polls scheduled on the 28th of this month will push through, and he is not seeing any other reason to cancel except in the region of Zamboanga, where it is most likely to be canceled due to the siege and the floods. With this, the COMELEC once again reminded candidates of important dates such as the filing of certificates of candidacies on October 11 to 17, 2013, and the actual election date on October 28, 2013. For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.